guys, today, it's actually not today. It's actually very late at night right there. Look at the view. It's actually very dark. I don't think you can see any of the views here. Oh, no. Don't get any hints of what we're doing today. I think you already know because of the caption I wrote on this video, for this video. Okay, we're doing bowling with 5 mystery items. You guys couldn't see the treasure hunt that we made, that we had to find 5 items each that are not a ball, but round or anything like a ball or anything that works. So on my team, I have this Scott Bright's paper towel thing. I don't know what that is. I have this little ball squishy plush, little Buzz. He smells like watermelon. Yeah, he smells like watermelon. We have this little squishy. I don't know why I got it, but it was round, maybe a little round, and it's something like a ball, and it works. I got this little circular ball. I know there's a minion in there. That's because it isn't heavy enough to hit these. So, but I put a minion there. I don't know if that helps a little bit, but it's strategy. And I got this woody squishy. The 2 things I think is gonna work best is the paper towels and this little squishy plush. Because this thing's super heavy and round, and when it hits the ground, it makes a noise. I'm actually not hitting it. It's so heavy. And this, I don't know. Alright, over to my dad's side. Here, he has 2 little stuffed animals. These are my buddies. I don't know. I can't say their names because I don't really know how to. I don't know. And he has this little cylinder thing. I don't know what this is. Is this a fan holder? Yeah, this is a fan holder. He has some hand sanitizer gel and a glue stick. Which 2 things do you think is gonna work best? This one. This one. He thinks the glue stick and the cylinder thing, fan holder, is gonna work the best. Look. Oh, they don't match. This one does. Alright, over to the bowling alley here. We have water bottles here. Some are not open, some are open, some are apple juice. No, there's only one apple juice, which is the heaviest one, not the heaviest. These are the heaviest, which is the smallest, tiniest, shortest one, which earned 20 points because it's really heavy, and it's in the front. And then over here we have 10-point buddies because they're not on monitor and they're on the second row. And then right here we have 5 points because I don't know. And this on the back layer here is 15 points with this thing. I don't know what that is. Let's get this video started. Get out of here, mommy. Alright. Since my dad's holding the camera, we might need to find a way to put the camera. Okay, just give me a minute. I have to set up something for this camera. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute.